Hi friends, now let us take up the 8th program in our CFG-8 series. Actually, I want to give you this program as an assignment program because so much spoon feeding is poisonous. I should not give that much spoon feeding. Whatever I have given in previous 7 programs covered whatever knowledge you require to perform this program. So sincerely try. The 100% this is same as 7th program only, but this is an interactive program. Periodically you test yourself where you are. Then only you can progress confidently. That's why sincerely try. Don't copy or peep into the previous program. Or otherwise, before starting this, once again watch the video of the 7th program and then start that. While you are doing this program, don't peep into that. That is my sincere advice. Heavens won't fall down. You may commit some errors. Already I told you, errors are your best friends. Because of that, you learn things. So, now I briefly explain certain things about this and thereafter you can proceed. Okay, I gave you a checklist. What is the checklist? There are three items in that. First is how many variables are required. Here, obviously, there are three variables. The second one is what are the types. What are the types means one is age, obviously you have to declare it as a int. Second one is height, obviously you must declare it as a float. Third one is a grade, obviously you must declare it with a character. Don't ignore delimiters. Now I told you this is a common error. So simply if you assign a without delimiters, it leads to error. Okay. Thereafter there is no processing. I am not giving you processing. Thereafter, you have to print the output in the same format. Simple. I think within 10 minutes you can do that without copying. Then, thereafter, one thing you don't forget, as far as age is concerned, not only giving age, and you have to mention the years also. That means 15 years, 5.1 feet, and a. One thing I am telling you, whatever inputs I have given, you may give different inputs. But when you are giving inputs, you must apply your common sense. Suppose here you are taking 15. That means 15 years boy, how much height? Normally, how much height is there? That much height you have to give. Understand? You should not take abnormal cases and all that. That point always you must remember. So instead of A grade, you may give B grade or C grade also. Nothing wrong in that. And in this, what you mainly test is scan-f statements. Scan-f statements you have to test. Here three data items you have to read. That means how many statements you have to write. In input section, 6 statements you have to write. 3 prompt statements, and 3 scanf statements. You have to write totally 6 carefully, and one clue I have to give. The common error, many students do not know about that. Actually, here percentage C you write for reading grade. Reading grade, just as you like you write first. Then you face a problem. Then what to do? Here one space you give exactly within the control string before the percentage symbol, one extra space you give. That is certain technical issue is there. I don't want to distract you. Before end of this course, I will explain what is that and all that. With already I told you, when you are using scanf, you should be very careful, and it is having certain weaknesses. You must address them properly. This is one of the weaknesses. If you read this one as the first statement, that problem will not come. In the earlier also, in the previous program, we read character data, but no problem arises. But here, if you read it as second or subsequent element, what you have to do? Within the control string, before percentage, you have to leave extra space. Without leaving extra space also, you try. Then what type of problem it is creating, you can understand on your own. Thereafter, one space you give, then you get. And one more thing I am telling you, in description, I am giving a link for all the programs. But only thing is, after completion of the program only, you download that. You download that, and many students I know that they download and thereafter they start doing that. Because of that, you accustomed to copying. You never give exercise to your brain. That is for every prospective programmer, that is not good. As far as possible, some source is available also, you should avoid. And your doors are fully closed, then you see that. Or otherwise, after successful completion also, you can verify with that. That point you have to understand and proceed. And complete this at any cost. You should not fail. Already 7 programs I explained, and each and every bit I explained. Otherwise, once again, you watch 7th program. By that, you get complete information.